안녕하세요, hello. We are going to make this hearts bookmark. First, we're going to thread the needle. So here we go. And through the needle hole, and then pull. For this, we're going to put the ends together so we can have two strings. Two different ways how you can make them out. So one way is to circle your pointy finger one time and then use your thumb to roll it out like this, and then grab it and pull it back, and then you should have a mount. Another method is to just circle it and then pull it out like how you would do a normal regular knot. Okay, but with this one it's kind of tiny, so you'll have to do it 2-3 times so that your knot is big and it doesn't go through your fabric or cloth. Okay, so here's the bandao. I started 2 already. For this pattern, we're going to start in the middle, then we're going to go diagonal up 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'm skipping 2 like this, 1, 2. I'm gonna start this one. It's going to be, I'm skipping 1, 2, so it's going to be starting at these 2. Okay, and so to do that, I'm going to start from the back. Okay, so like right there. Okay, so the back. So from the back, pull, and then one way to do the axis or the stitches is diagonal this way. Okay, right, so out, and then you pull the needle from the back, and then when you come back, you can come through either this other corner or the one from the bottom here. Let's see, right here. Okay, so this way you can do your diagonal this way or this way. Since I'm here, I'm going to just go this way. Okay, so if you are pretty new to this, you can go down. Okay, so here is our first stitch. When you come back up, you have 3 different options. Okay, so this corner, this one, or this one right here. You don't want to come back this one, because if you do, you just undo the X. Okay, so down this way. Let's see, I might want to come back out this one. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We are not going to go down, we're going to go diagonal, right? So to make the X. Okay, if you're pretty good at this, you know that you have 2 options when you come back up. Either back up to this one or to this other corner over here, right? So again, I'll just do this simple one out this way. Again, when you come back up, okay, now we're here. To come back up, we either come through this one or this one down here. Okay, so if we come through this one, here's part of the X, and complete it by going through the opposite. Okay, so there's 2. We need 2 more. Okay, I'm going to come up this way. Go up 3. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go up 3. Okay, so you see here it's going, this one is already 1. Okay, so we just need 1 and 2 more. So come back up. Okay, once you get really good at this, because we're just doing axis, you can do it like this, where you make the diagonal first, come back and complete it. Let's see, here we go. Okay, and then I need to go diagonal this way one time. And if you notice, my thread is this long or this short. Okay, I'm going to finish this one X here so that I can get a new thread to finish this, because if your thread gets really short, then you won't be able to tie a knot. Okay, so I'm going to tie a knot here. I'm just going to go through a random thread here, and then I like to leave a little loop right here, and then use my needle. If you still have enough thread, you can do it this way, but since I have just enough, I'm gonna use the back and go through it like this. So there's one knot. Okay, if you feel like this is good, you can leave it, otherwise you can make another knot. So here's a loop again, and then using the top, the bottom here, go through, and then even if I can't not pull through, that's fine, because I already have a knot there. I use my scissor to cut, take out the needle, and you can pull through. Okay, and we don't want the back here to be messy, so we're going to cut the extra thread off, and then get more threads and finish the heart and the border. You can also use different threads to color in or fill in these spots. Hi again, I'm not done with the hearts, but I'm just going to make a quick video of how I would fill the heart. So I'm gonna fill it with purple. Okay, so here, starting from the back, you can start anywhere. I'm going to just start from here, and you basically do what we just did across, right? You go down, pull, okay, come back up. Again, you have two options, either come up through this corner or this corner down here. Let's see, you have to be extra careful here. All right, and then diagonal to complete this. Okay, and then you can, I guess, pick any of these to continue on right here. Alright, so I am finished here with this last one. Okay, so here you have two options. If you are changing thread, then you can make your knot. If not, you can actually jump over and fill up this other heart with the purple thread. So to do that, you either can make a knot here, right? Sometimes to just to secure this one, because if you make a mistake over here, then you'll have to cut threads, the thread or your stitches, and then it will make a mess. So I like to make a knot here, finish this one. Okay, and instead of cutting the thread and making new knot, I'm going to just jump over to this heart. Okay, find a starting spot and then just pull through like that. You see this little thread jump here, and then you just continue. Okay, so again, down, okay, back up the other corner. Hi again. Here I'm not done, but I'm going to teach us a couple ways on how we can do the borders. Okay, so this is a simple border just around, and so I started here already, but again we're just going to go down, okay, and then come back up. Again, you can come back up through this one, or you can skip this one and come through that one. Okay, so if you decide to just come back through this one, that's fine. Okay, and I'll show you how it looks like on the back too. Okay, so again, through that one, you can come back out this one and then finish it off like that. Come back up, okay, diagonal down and back up the other one, pull, okay, and then back down to this one. Okay, so we just did two. Let's do one more. So back up here, down, back up here, and down. Okay, so if you look, it's very organized on the back, right? Because we're just it's a simple one. Okay, now because we're just doing simple axes around, another way I think to do it quicker is you can just start with one, okay, and you don't have to finish this X right away. You can continue on, right? So diagonal, okay, you either go all the way down and pull, then come back up, okay, but this way it's kind of hard because then you lose your spot, right? Or you can either diagonal, because you know you're coming back up, so come back up through this one and diagonal this way, right? Okay, but I think I went too far. I just needed to skip one, two. Need to skip two. Let's see. Not touching this one, so that should be my last one. Okay, so I'll just go down. Okay, there we go. Come back up this way. Okay, so to finish this, then I can just go this way, and I have two options here, either this way and pull, right? There's my stitch, and again, if I don't go this way, I can go straight this way and pull, right? Go back and pull, oops, and finish. Okay, and then instead of doing a knot here, you see it's very organized. Let's do a couple one here. So you get to be creative. You get to kind of choose how you do your stitches, right? So again, I think for me, to save me time, I like to just do one side of the X, or one diagonal, right? Keep going. Okay. Right. So on this side it looks like this. On the back it's just lines. And then again, to finish this off, so what I would do is, once I finish this, I would go all the way around with a single diagonal, and when I come back, I'll just come back this way. Okay, I'll just finish it like this. Okay, if you look at the back, see, it's like that. But let's say when I come back up, I don't go that way, I go this way instead. I still get to complete my stitch, right? Okay, so this way I am, I guess, coming back out straight and not the other way, and it looks different on the back as well. Okay, so there, it creates a little triangle, a square on the back. Okay, oh, here's another trick or thing that you can do. After you make your knot, if you have extra thread here, instead of cutting, you can cut too, but in a bit, you can go through these stitches here, okay, and you can pull through. So in a way, I don't know, just extra thread and make sure that it's secured or something. And there we go.